namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyzed. Channel namhla of course ta ikhela leyo singo Mr Post ndo ingata ikhi continue vele vele ikhi ngolinka na hlaya Bible vele vele la then from there of course tlhela continue vele vele nyanyimpi leyi yi nga kona veve mi tivaku ya Gagash and also activist Masingita Mkhawana and stuff like that and somehow Gagash tlha advisor hlaya Bible ngona vona ni video mi ta vona ku advice ku yini hlaya Bible la yeah, so of course, around 22 November, it was going to be the post. If you get a post, yeah, before you take a post, if you want to even get images, as you can see, I have to say, I bombing Mr. Post, you look funny, really nice, so the man, I should have got as you can see, congratulations, Organjan, but I should have got as you can see, I'm gonna jealous down, I look funny, na broke, you don't touch as you can see what an Irish Scottish name. Yeah, I'm very say we are post lang. So if you want to Mr. Post if you get magigwan wakala kuma for tracks na negotiate. Okay, I should clear Mr. Post maybe zamakuvula kufika umamo or tinga home. Okay, lexikari kwala 50-50. Mejela mkon'wana wa ka Xibangwa ku ntangwa hangalasa ankahle. Xibihela xa yena va ta tshikana lexi a nga ti xa nun'wa xibihela xa yena kwalani obviously Mr. Post is referring to nsati wa hlaya Bible Mr. Post di n'wi refer nsati wa as xibihela so there xibihela xa yena va ta tshikana lexi a nga ti ku hi Mr. Post a ni ti ku yo kuma file or o chinga na ku somehow yena yi kume mahungu yo hlaya Bible yi te nsati wa yena wanuna so the images ta nsati wa yena how to ku ka page ra yena veve mi nge kombela loko Mr. Post a poster and stuff like that then he wrote mkon'wana wa ka Xibangwa a ku hot swandla kambe se risimu leri herini ne person ta se ri herini manjeni phela ti artist a ti hloyeli mani nkarhi wun'wana veve na viti swilo xitoko i ti artist ala ka hlaya Bible a ku na nchumu is not respond khale kan cheka na live yin'wana a yi endle nyana khale ngo a ni twi loko maybe ta a respondini a nga ri ku respondini ka ti-live ta yena I've been checking so swi endla ku miyela swi nga pfuni nchumu na this live swi endla ku miyela swi nga pfuni nchumu loko risimu ri le ku teni swi nge pfuni nchumu ku miyela a ta benefita ngopfu futhi sweswi ku monetize ka ka Facebook a ta benefit ri va kha responda a ta za monetize na page swo boha ado so a ri hezi sweswo a swi wa one sided mina ma swi to ani one sided information loko ku ri information yi ri kona na report a ku na nchumu hala nge ri ku vulavuleni ka nchumu hala and stuff like that. And the very tlhelela ka nyimpi ya Gagash and also activist Masingita already kuna part 1 ne so xa best ku subscribe ivi mi kota ku vona that video first hi ku a ha tlheli ngopfu ndhaku ta hi kha hi vekela ti-new information ground already covering like the routes ku ri ku ndleka yini and stuff like that. Let's go Gagash.
Swo xava is not a problem ani ya tirha na tigigi na tolo ni kumi yin'wana yi le Phalaborwa all white so it's not a problem. That's why loko vanhu mfananyana lowo le xawela loyi a ni le ka va Power FM a vulavula ku na phorisa rin'wanyani li fana investigatiwa nanguteka vutomi lebyi byi hanyaku a byi mechi vuphorisa. You don't know me dog. A munhu wo sungula ku ndla sweswo. You don't know me dog. I'm a hard worker. I'm a loan shark. I'm everything. Now when ngaba wehe loko no swilava ku va ku mani xikoti xilungu hi tsala better English. I don't write English man. English I agree the bill. If there is one thing you need to remember jela lo koma lo wa swisoti xa centimeter correct. English doesn't pay bills and I can challenge him any day anytime. He's a boy. He's a boy. And no loko no lava ku ta n'wi teka 22 I can now I'm going to buy defamation of character. Why am I saying that? You go to the media, you talk about my name, say whatever bad things about me. you go gagash this and this and this aka media. That's a defamation of character because you have a case number or one chumumu nte fambi andla enga the media fambi up full case this a case thing because I'm ready for that. Iyaka IP look Africa IP one phone la baka IP dikolo look one phone la baka la maswiti kuna munhu la erla no anentirweni there is gagashi kuna gagashi wile ntirweni anentirweni swi loko munhu antolovela na ntirweni munhu antolovela ku fika kwalana ni va byele so and nalamhla na stand hi sweswo munhu loko anta hi a nga tangi kahle anta hi vuxaka byi vhoro ita swikumo leswi swi lavaka. I'm a very humble person, don't start with me. And ani chamichuna ngwana wa tsala la ku I've got the best lawyers engaged ntivat lawyer ta more than 100 best ones and ita taxa wala vele shawela ku wona riva a shawela loko munhu la English va tunga ku itlhari a u tlhari yango ni tsamela ku nkarhi wo leha lava kanto la iki bombisa mambo nyana u koma la can't do me anything, you're a boy any day anytime. I'm not taking car, you can't do me anything. I'm way up when that's one tax I could look I like a read. Kunga don't want to go, what better. And besides church, I'm look motor. You find me clean. Clean, very clean. Nothing belongs to me. I have nothing. Men traga metropolis. I'm logo tagame man and chum no move. No moon la drive out the move, no moon I'm pass. I won't get you don't know me. One papel. Se lo kun papela kufika kwalani usukomba kwena media munhu asuka atsika leswi swa mina aka media ko mfana lo drive at mova his life is questionable. I need George loko ra Steve putsa lava ntirhaka na vona. I need George man. I need George man. I don't solicit bribes. I don't do that. And besides the bribes, I'm not saying lava swi ndlaku va phuvi no. But what I'm trying to say, I need George and I need Chomusha bed the last 17. I'm working so hard. That's why when Ningere life for Namtan Bones. Labar 17 what I'm saying. Ningere life. So I expect I'm going to go for I know my worth. I'm the biggest boss in the game.
Hasa nyembea kwa yikulu manjenda koko anishaka ready anokota ngani yingisela na gagasha nga yingisela vele swi va yirikulu seni swi verify investigate ha kona vele votala na loko kha ni cheka even online va vulavula hi swona vele swi kombisa ku la gagashi metropolitan ntsena mara va nga swi languteli leswin'wana swi endla ku tlhela mana mhaka liwa swo swi nga ri ku langutisiweni tanihileswi a nga kombisa na hala tlhelo wa lombisa na swa timali kwalawani and then hala tlhelo i va kha endla swa i va kha tirha vele ka metropolis wana mhaka liwa so hala tlhelo i va kha kuma ti-events at the same time wana mhaka leyi so ni twina ku swi nga ri ku langutisiweni kahle swi swi endlaka swi nga ri ku langutisiweni kahle kha swi endlaka so kolo loko va la ku investigate they can investigate ku tshama ra ku accuse when I think I remember last time ana hi kha hi vulavula hi tele 17 la kha accuse wa ku gagashi le va xavisa swo karhi leswi of course swi nga illegal swa ti-drugs leswi ka accuse-wa hi swona and stuff like that endzhaku loko vele hi vone a xave arma xexa very fast and then a tlhaxana for the raptor leswi hi kha hi vulavula hi swona within a short space of time and stuff like that leswi hi kha hi vulavula hi swona so ko loko ri wa a swi investigate hi vone hi swo because a ni o tshama kha accuse mani tshama ni vona munhu loyi a nga fika ku wa swi investigate swo tala na mhaka ya minkulungwana swa ku va ku ti-accusations a tshama swi va swi na proof you see so yeah, since swi tikomba na ku ye masingita yi serious you investigate hi vona ku swi ndlisa ku yini and stuff like that a swi ta kota ku swi clarify swilo swo tala ngopfu na ti-accusations leti va kha ti ri kona and stuff like that hi minkarhi yo tala ma yi vona mhaka leyo.
One thing he has done, this boy Mamelodi boy afsuka siku rin'wanyana there is my cousin ngongvile vito la ka meet ve loko va ave na problem da kuna tiko a ri accuse munhu un'wana ku ri i raping a tiko rin'wanyana ko hala ka Dzumeri andla yini this boy aya pusha ku ri luya if an upfula case maphorisa when they engaged there they realized no this guy didn't mention anybody's name He just said you must go and account. That's how stupid he can be. And somebody before I take a shot, because your mind, you think you're smart, you're not smart. And we talk about from another book. E pass it all, pass it all. We know you, so I go to be told. So don't try that at all. You're a boy. My name is Gershla Masidi Lamanini. I'm the biggest boss in the game. Sure. Advice and Marale. I want to get a problem when I come with the credit. You know, we can speak English, better English. We're not here for English, my man. We're here for survival. Blah blah English is here for 60 years. We're not here for English. We're here for survival. That's here for 70 years. We're blah English. We don't need English. We need proper things in life.
Hey.
Exercise. It's my shilungu. Nonsense. Ujima ini rawa. Balungu unkwama utele la kuna mali. That's why abala kufashisha. Ngizela bangwani bova. Uma bangani. Uma ufane ataifa ingizela bangwani bakuta kungena bahanya buto. Awula kufaira amali. Phone useless.
So as stated, unfortunately, man got access your account. Activist and I wish I put like I talked away one side around with a so unfortunately and put one kind of so it's a bit boring and you should take a side with addition stock mindash balance. Unfortunately, go back my car put a side with a bike to gagash we even access your account somehow. And talk about difference or another account I could access or own a bangana that could access the account and stuff like that. Let's go.
So don't try me. I'm not easily shaken, my guy. I'm not like the small boys that you can bully and all those things. I'm here, dog.
I go like this section. Go gagash very well. Device Bible.
People na shishu kuteka 99 stars Lamba City. Hey, Maria China, when I'm fana kita, I panic. I got your back. Vicky Spas, I have 22 stars. Imgana wa mina ningefuka nokubetray. Ability sansam. Maria China, when. That China thing say, I just it's not nothing. It's not anything new. You just need to understand. You just prepare your wife and your mom. The rest are you. Or prepare to know there is this and then automatically you don't lose it. Just change chumka. Man, I've been there. I know those things, and I'm still the biggest boss in the game. And I'm fun now. I'm here. Mentivekin ingaziwa anhleketela kutaniveka ntivekin nitivekin the positioning no mfam lala
yeah, okay, I have to now advice in the Bible. If you advise man nansa if you prepare everywhere yeah man no beefy ava ana gagasha penga lembelere yeah guys bad life every day shirkaya Arrange mhla Bible sitawonaka tawona shona ko ya react sa kuyini arrange